The year was 2003. A time when one brand ruled our pockets and our hearts. Remember that era, when guys flexed their biceps just holding a phone, and the walls trembled if you accidentally bumped into one? We're talking about the legendary Nokia. The phones that were built like tanks, the ones you'd drop on the floor and worry if the floor cracked. Well, Nokia is back, and this time, they aren't just bringing the muscle, they're bringing the flavor. Are you ready for a smartphone that packs 5G speed, a 108 megapixel camera, and, wait for it, that iconic physical keypad? No, you're not dreaming. This is the ultimate comeback, the Nokia 7610 5G. It's more than a phone, it's a vibe, a fusion of old school cool, and next-gen tech. Let's dive into the unboxing of this absolute beast. Design and display. First up, let's talk design. This thing is a total head-turner. On one side, you've got a gorgeous touchscreen for your swiping needs, and right below it, the classic keypad. For those of us who still have the blind typing muscle memory from the early 2000s, this is a dream come true. It's like your childhood best friend showed up wearing a $3,000 suit. Rumor has it we're looking at a 4.95-inch HD Plus display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling reels or gaming, it's going to feel fluid. And because it's a Nokia, durability is a given, it's rocking Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Drop it, don't sweat it. The camera setup. In 2026, your camera is your identity, and Nokia isn't playing around. Flip it over, and you'll find a triple camera array that'll turn you into a pro photographer overnight. The star of the show, a massive 108 megapixel primary sensor. Yeah, let that sink in. With this many pixels, your night shots will look like broad daylight. You also get a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens for the whole squad, and a 5 megapixel macro sensor for those crisp close-ups. For the selfie-obsessed, there's a 32 megapixel front camera to make sure your TikToks go viral in 4K. Performance and power. What's under the hood? Nokia went for a game-changer, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset. We're talking lightning-fast 5G speeds. Whether you're grinding in PUBG, Free Fire, or multitasking between 20 apps, this phone won't just run, it will fly. Plus, it's expected to ship with Android 16, giving you the cleanest, most modern software experience out there. Battery life. A power-hungry phone needs a massive tank. Nokia stuffed a 7500 mAh battery into this chassis. You can binge watch, game, and scroll all day without even looking for a plug. And when you finally do hit zero, the 25-watt fast charging and USB-C port will have you back in the game in no time. Price and launch date. Now, for the part that'll make you do a double take. You'd expect a 5G hybrid like this to cost $800 or $900, right? Wrong. Leaked reports suggest a starting price of just $100. Yes, you heard that right. An absolute powerhouse for the price of a pair of nice sneakers. As for the release, word on the street is we can expect this bombshell to drop in the final months of this year. The verdict: the Nokia 7610 5G is the perfect mix of nostalgic sugar and tech spice. But what do you think? Are you down for a smartphone with a physical keypad in 2026? If this hits the shelves at $100, are you camping outside the store to grab one? Drop a comment below and let me know.